Words of the day. Save the Earth. Bob Brown. The flooding of Lake Petter in 1972, in the heart of Tasmania's western wilderness, sparked Australia's first nationwide protest for the environment. In the same year, the United Tasmania Group, precursor of today's Greens, was set up. It was the world's first Green Party, working for social justice, the environment, peace, and democracy. From the tragedy of Lake Petter, we learned that we had to meet the exploiters of nature head on with arguments on the economy and employment as well as on the environment. That lesson was fundamental to our success in saving the Franklin River from the dam builders in 1983. While the Wilderness Society spearheaded the Franklin campaign, it was people all over Australia working together, fundraising, holding meetings, showing films of the river, peacefully blockading the bulldozers. 1,400 people were arrested, changing their vote to parties with a no dams platform, and lobbying politicians who saved the river and its magnificent, living wilderness. The 1990s will repeatedly call every one of us to nature's assistant. How we respond will determine the fate of the earth, the fate of ourselves, of our fellow creatures, and of the rights of future generations to inherit a planet with its wondrous, living fabric intact. Words of the day. Save the earth.